Okay, so Summer's got me swinging from the vine.
Yeah.
That's
what I was just.
I said,
That's
okay.
what I was thinking too.
All right, so we're working on Manners Minder, and this is what I'm going to tell you guys. And I've said this before. No, I'm not an expert with the Manners Minder. And in fact, when I do the tips from Top Pros thing, I'll get Helen to do a Manners Minder video because that's the only reason I even know of Manners Minder. So I do have the tone on. I don't have any treats on. All through. So what I'm saying to myself, what my goal is to get this dog where I can push it over there with that pager. If I would have hit the pager right then, she would have turned and come back at me. So I've got to make her conscious, and this is what she's not, that I'm controlling that. At this point, she just thinks it's random. Look at this smoky jump. All right, so in your place. So I added my pager. I better add my all through. And I'm going to tell you right now, my posturing was way too much. I was going, I better be way more subtle. You always want to, that's the problem, though. I didn't do anything right now, but I can see an opportunity for me to be able to get some distance. I'm not going to do my recall. I'm just going to let her come back to me on her own. In your place. All through. I want her going that direction. In your place. I better stay on my beeper to keep her there a minute. All through. Oops. Now this is the point where we hope it doesn't clog. Summer's like, don't clog, don't clog. Not clogging. And I didn't send her right there. That's if you hit the wrong button, it just keeps going. Summer doesn't like the way I just waste treats with the thing. All right, watch. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get her as far away as possible, just to add some distance. In your place. So that's what I want you guys to understand. I had to fail the other day. I haven't even gotten to labeling that one yet. But it was a total fail. So I had to rethink my strategy. And I did add the tone. That was Summer's idea. I did add the tone. And even though Kelly, you know, if Greg sees this, because, you know, remember that one guy was so, I was telling him that tone didn't work. It works for this, but it's a different, so watch. I'm going to get her going that way. In your place. Smokey, I'm not rewarding her for coming to me at all, and I don't even have any treats on. I don't have my little plastic bag tied on me today, so, you know, and that's, I mean, that's how much they notice you guys. She sees I don't have anything. There isn't the only. That's why she keeps going away. Because the only reward, and I didn't do it right then, but I'm gonna do it again here. I got my finger on my pager. Beep, beep, beep. In your place. I'm going to tell you when I added my pager. When I could see that's what she was going to do. That's when I added it. If I would have even added it, and I am purposely doing a distance away. Because I don't want to, if I can see I've got an opportunity. In your place. So she's starting to understand. Her knee-jerk reaction was to spin this way, but in your place, good. That's, if I wanted to practice getting her to spin back. In your place, in. All that is the recall and reverse. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it with that, but I did not give up, and we didn't do it continuously. I think that we're 2 sessions away from Manners Minder fail. You know, as much as I can just get her to go in there, if I said my initial job was to get the successful behavior to occur so that I could give it a name and give it a framework with inside the pager, then that's what I'm doing. And I do see where the tone helps. I stand corrected, the tones don't, because it works with this dog. Bye guys.